In this video, we're gonna talk about the CINE EI workflow step by step in a very simple way. Hey guys, welcome to my new one. So earlier this year I released a video about all the CINE EI basics and I received a ton of questions. So I decided to make another video showing you all the CINE EI workflow step by step from shooting into editing. So let's get into it. Here I have my setup for my next video, which I'm preparing right now. It's lit by this Aperture 600X and I'm also using the color checker video to precisely expose my image. My monitor preview is set to S709 to view a normal image and my zebras are set to 45% for the middle gray and 77% for the white card. Now let's take a look at the image. I exposed the image correctly, but we still have a lot of dark shadows. Now let's press record and see what the footage looks like if we record the normal base ISO without changing the exposure index. After transforming your image from log to Rec. 09, the image looks fine, but unfortunately we have a lot of noise. And I don't know about you, but if I'm filming a commercial for my clients, I want to deliver the best quality possible. And that's where CINE EI is gonna help us. Now let's go back and change the exposure index by 2 stops and see what happens. As we can see, the image becomes 2 stops darker, which I need to correct by adjusting the lights or my aperture. Now my image and waveform look normal again, so let's see what we recorded. As soon as we transform the image from log to Rec. 09, you will notice that the image is overexposed by 2 stops. Now we have to reduce the exposure level in the post-production to get a normal looking image. Now let's compare the footage side by side and see the difference. The first on the left is the normally recorded footage with 800 native ISO and 800 CINE EI. The second image is overexposed with 200 CINE EI, which provide us much more information in the shadows. The only downside of this technique is you have to put more effort into color grading, but that's the way to achieve the best quality for dark cinematic images. So let's summarize it quickly. CINE EI is designed to overexpose and capture more information in the dark images to reduce the noise. First, analyze your image. If you have a lot of shadows to film, switch to the CINE EI by 1 or 2 stops, expose the image correctly, record the footage and adjust the exposure in the post-production until you get a normal exposed image. And that's the CINE EI workflow. I hope this video helps you understand it easily, and if you like this one, give me a thumbs up, and if you wanna see more of my content, subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in the next one. Finally.